Golden Lakes Village 55 Plus Villa, Canal-view setting, enclosed Florida room with laundry, tile throughout, hurricane shutters, AC 2022, condo fee includes water, cable, exterior, security. From the moment you step into this Golden Lakes Village 55 Plus Villa, the Canal-view setting sets the tone. The layout flows easily for everyday living, with tile flooring throughout and a bright, open feel that draws you toward the back of the home. As you move through the main living space, the Florida room becomes the natural destination, an enclosed porch that expands the usable footprint to 1,249 square feet and frames peaceful water views that are easy to enjoy morning, afternoon, or evening. The enclosed Florida room offers flexible space for relaxing, hosting friends, or creating a favorite hobby corner, and it is also where you will find the convenient laundry closet. New blinds add a clean finish while giving you control over light and privacy, and hurricane shutters provide added peace of mind. The home features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with a refreshed shower and updates that support low-maintenance comfort. Recent improvements include a newer AC, 2022, a refrigerator approximately 1.5 years old, and a stove approximately 2.5 years old. The water heater was replaced in 2014. Golden Lakes Village offers a community lifestyle with amenities to enjoy, along with the convenience of being right off Okeechobee Boulevard. You are close to restaurants, downtown West Palm Beach, City Place, and Kravis Center for the Performing Arts, plus quick access to both I-95 and Florida's Turnpike for commuting or weekend plans. Palm Beach International Airport is also nearby for easy travel days. Condo fee is $752.02 per month and includes water, cable, exterior maintenance, and security. One assigned parking space is located